You can't ride your scooter and be on your phone. So 3 points that. No 6 now.
Put that in the garage. yeah.
And the winner of Best in Show is...
Very nice. Nice to see you.
I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, I bet you will. Is it broken down again? Pushing it home.
Take care.
Can we give a big round of applause for everybody who's entered the show?
Right, so here we are at Burton Brewers Scooter Custom Show. And yeah, we're just walking around the parts fair right now. We've got quite a lot of stuff, got clothes, badges, parts, all sorts of things. So yeah, it's pretty impressive. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Obviously this is a new venue for them. Food stands as well, helmets, jackets. Pretty impressive. I reckon we get that for Dad. Put that in the garage. yeah.
They're probably holding the signal. Nobody else can use
Oh right, yeah, I was like I said, I've literally just got back from I was sitting on knee to the bus. We were going through, we've got councils and then
That's starting this year.
And the winner of the Best Standard Vespa is number 19, the US Rally 200. The next category is Best Standard Lambretta, and the runner-up is number 32, the Model A. And the winner of the Best Standard Lambretta is number 39, the Louis.
He's a Louis and he's slow. 39
Next category is Best Vespa Street Racer, and the runner-up is number 43, the Twin Carb Armando Special. And the winner of the Best Vespa Street Racer is number 45, Hugo Boss. Next category is Lambretta Street Racer, and the runner-up is number 65, DHC. Okay, the winner of the Best Lambretta Street Racer is number 66, Monza.
Thank you.
The next category is Best Paint. The runner-up is number 35, Hellfire.
Smiling this time, look.
And the winner of Best Paint is number 4, People's Princess.
You're going to have to get a bigger shelf at
I
home.
have the Bernie scooter, he keeps beating me.
The next category is Best Bright Work, and the runner-up is number 62, Creepy. And the winner of Best Bright Work is number 19, Mellow Days. Next category is Best Engraving, and the runner-up is number 14, Fall From Grace. And the winner of Best Engraving, number 49, the S-Type.
Listen, none of us are going to get any faster, are we? We're going to book some ambulances for next week. Just line them up outside.
The next category is Best Auto, and the runner-up is number 69. And the winner of Best Auto is number 17. The next category is Best Non-Vespa or Lambretta, and the runner-up is number 44, the RA 300. And the winner of the non-Vespa and Lambretta is number 41, Loch Ness. The next category is Best Display, and the runner-up is number 52, Harry Potter. And the winner of Best Display is number 11, Lost Souls Dreams. A special award for somebody who travels quite a way to get here each year. He's been coming for a number of years, and that is Jack Chopper Man. So with Copper Chopper.
Just for you, because you're the best Jack Chopman I know.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm the only one you know.
Exactly.
So this is for Creepy and Bright Work. He wasn't here when we announced it.
Where you been, Paul? Not been hairdressers, are you?
Who says he's just got out of bed?
Sleeping
Maybe he was riding another scooter with no helmet on.
Don't look at me like that.
After he'd been in the shower.
Cheers,
The Best in Show. Now, for some reason, we've actually got a reserve Best in Show, so a runner-up. We only usually just have a winner. But runner-up for the Best in Show is number 31, Pepsi. And the winner of Best in Show is number 4, People's Princess. So that's the end of the presentation. I'd just like to say thank you from everyone at the Burton Brewers Scooter Club for everybody who's attended. Sorry that everybody can't win, but they're all winners in everybody's eyes, I'm sure. So please thank you for everybody who's made the effort, and can we give a big round of applause for everybody who's entered the show.
It's nice that.
All right.
Very nice. Beautiful, thank you.
Yeah, see you soon.
Nice to see you.
I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, I bet you will. It looks better now, doesn't it? It looks fantastic.
Thank you. Well then.
See your brake lights.
Is it broken down again? Pushing it home.
Brilliant.
Another Lambretta being pushed down.
Really would, tremendous.
You can't ride your scooter and be on your phone. Just say, look, 3 points that. No, 6 now. 6 points. What I'm doing is that presentation
With the custom schedules, you can go to.
rally.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
Yeah, I saw it at what rally? And I saw it and I thought, I'm sure that looks.
Yeah, we
See,
did.
About this 1989.
Yeah.
See you soon, he'll be out.
Take care.
Safe. Cheers.